In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Zoom recording. If you need to save a Zoom Cloud recording to your computer for offline access, sharing, or archiving, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to find your recording in Zoom and download it correctly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Zoom website, then sign in to your Zoom account. Make sure you're using the account that actually has access to the recording, since cloud recordings are tied to the account where the meeting was hosted or shared. Once you're signed in, look for the navigation menu. From there, click on Recordings, or in some Zoom accounts, you may see Recordings and Transcripts instead. Zoom sometimes updates the wording of menu items, so don't worry if the label looks slightly different. You're still going to the same general area where saved meeting files are managed. After that, select the Cloud Recordings tab. This is important because Zoom may also show local recordings in other contexts, but for this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on recordings stored in Zoom's cloud. Now browse through the list and find the meeting recording you want to download. When you locate it, click to open that recording. This will take you into the recording details page, where you can see the available files associated with that meeting. Depending on how the meeting was recorded, there may be more than one file available, such as the main video recording, and possibly other related items. Next, click Download next to the video file. If your browser or computer asks where you want to save the file, choose the location that works best for you. For example, you might want to save it to your Downloads folder, your desktop, or a specific project folder so it's easy to find later. Once you've selected the save location, wait for the download to complete. The time this takes will depend on the size of the recording and the speed of your internet connection. Longer meetings usually create larger files, so it may take a little while. After the download finishes, you can open the saved file from your computer and watch it whenever you want, even without signing back into Zoom. A quick tip before you go: if you don't see a download button, it may be because the recording owner has disabled downloads or you don't have the right permissions. In that case, you may need to contact the person who manages the recording. And that's it. That's how to download a Zoom recording quickly and easily.